back to my studio and welcome to another Friday with Friends. I hope you're going to enjoy this project. I'm trying something new. Now Louise and McKay does a lot of these. It's painting on a Lazy Susan. So I bought a Lazy Susan to give this a try. So let's go down to the table and see how it does. Okay, I have a bamboo Lazy Susan. Doesn't have the best spinning, but it works. I have done a lot of taping on the back because I want it to be nice and clean back there. I did give a light sanding to this because I wanted to make sure that the finish and the varnish that was on it was roughened up so that the paint would stick better. Now for today we are going to use my Sherwin Williams Golden Plumeria as the base because that always makes a good painting. Then we're going to use Eye Candy in Oihe Blue, Nebula Green, for some sparkle, the 24K Nugget Gold. This is such a beautiful bright color. This is Plastic Pink. And I have some Arc Orange. And I don't have the container there, this one, because these two are leftovers. And this is Suiren Purple. And then for my cell activators, I've got Amsterdam in the permanent blue violet and in titanium white. So we're going to start by putting down our coat, blowing this out, and seeing what happens. Okay, I've put a new base coat down. I'm going to make a little change. I'm taking the red out, and I think I'm going to take the orange out. And we're going to see if we get something better. And we're also going to use the handy dandy hairdryer instead of mouth blowing. And see if that makes it better. So, we're going to lay it out again. Try number 2. Never be discouraged. You can always do it over. And try this again. White cell activator. And then the blue violet cell activator. All right. Much happier with this initial blow. I got a little thin in the middle here. definitely happier. I'm glad I put that orange back in. Look at that right there. All right, let's spin this guy out. Sometimes you just have to say yuck and try it. I didn't want yuck. Oh, this orange is making me happy. Almost got rid of it, and I'm glad I didn't. I'm going to keep spinning until the opposite side goes over. I don't mind if like there's where my negative space is going to be, but I'd like it to be a little more symmetrical. Oh, we'll see. Still moving enough that I can be picky. One more spin, and I think we're going to call it done. So much happier. I think I was just trying to blow too big a thing with mouth blowing. It's a little off center, but I don't mind. All right, let me clean up a little bit, check my edges, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, we've got some wet results. Oh, so much happier this second round. Here's that beautiful orange. Oh, the colors played much nicer this time. I think part of it was I just didn't blow it out well the first round. Blew out much better this time with the hairdryer for something this large. Oh, can't wait to see this dry. And there's a lot of sparkle. I don't know if you can see the sparkle, but I can see the sparkle. And when it's dry, it's really gonna shine. All right, hang in there for dry results. Okay, we have mainly dry results. The center is still a little damp on this, but I am really pleased. Look at the detail in this. It really came out amazingly well. There's just so much here. Oop, trying not to flop my light source here. Just look at this center. It's just wow. I love the way the colors blended well and played together nicely. And that orange is making me so happy. I almost dropped it out and I put it back in. Oh, so beautiful. And let me see if I can get up close enough and get this light to show you the sparkle in here. I don't know if I can. It's sort of hard to see in this light. Let me see if I can tilt it a little. I'm trying to be very careful because, like I said, it's not completely dry. But there is a lot of glittery sparkle in there. So if we get the light a little closer, if you can see it better. See if I can catch some of it. It's sort of hard to get, so I may not be able to show it. But I can see a whole lot of glittery sparkle when I'm up close to it. But I just don't think I'm catching it in the light just right. Oh. But we'll give up on trying. Later it'll pop out more. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends. Lance is off tonight, so it's just me and Janet. So please follow along the train to Janet's channel next. Her link is in my description box. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.